This is the Iron Trader, Tuesday morning. We'll take a look here at the crude and the natural gas. Now, crude, we have the API numbers here at 4:30 today. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the crude daily chart. All right, we had the old red dog candle here last Thursday, and then Friday, we had a higher high, and then right into this 2.8 estimate here yesterday with another higher high. And then today, it's just kind of like an inside day so far. Now, the key level is going to be, you want to watch is 72.14. Okay, this here is the 8 SMA. If it can hold that, then we can go on higher. So let's look at where we could go. So what we want to do is we want to look at yesterday's high. Okay, you're sitting at 73.69. Then we will want to look to the bottom of this candle here. Okay, you're looking at 74.53. Then we look here to the 50-day, sitting at 75.47. Your 100s at 76.57, and your 21-day sitting at 76.57 also. That is going to be your key resistant levels. And then obviously if it can go above that, then we look to this candle here and up there, and then your big retest here is your 200 at 81.37, and then you have 83.53, which is your retest. Okay, so this 200-day, as this is coming down, this is going to be very, very strong resistance on back on the upside. So that would be your first really, really strong resistance before you would come and hit this 83.53 retest. Now, on the downside, what we want to do is we want to watch, besides this key 8 SMA, on a closing basis. That's the key. And then we want to look to this candle here. Okay, so what we're doing is you're looking at the high of that is 71.81. That's your support. And then yesterday's low, we want to look at 71.04. Then we look to the top of this candle here, which is 69.84. And then the bottom of this candle here is 67.95. This here, that would be your support areas if it happens to fall down. Now, the key is going to be this key is 8 SMA here. You need to close above here. Okay, so if it does, then we can go higher. If not, then we have the support levels down lower. So let's take a look here at the weekly and the monthly chart. All right, here on your weekly chart, basically, sitting right nice sideways. So the key here on the weekly is you want to watch this 66.97. That's your 200 SMA. That is very, very going to be key support. Then obviously the bottom of that candle right there is 63.64. On the upside, you want to look at 75.79, the 8-day, and then your 76.67. All right, now on your monthly chart here, we want to look here at this 72.70. Okay, that's very, very key resistance level. That's your 200-day on your monthly. And then on the bottom here, you really want to look here at 66.03. That's your 50-day. Then you have your retest here at 62.43. But the 200-day is going to be very, very key level. If you can get close above, then we want to look here at this 8 SMA. You're sitting there at 78.47, because you can see how this 8, all the price keeps right below that 8 SMA. Very, very key. And then again, if you can clear that, then we have a nice target up here sitting at $86, your 21 SMA. All right, here we have the old man of gas. We have a daily chart. Now, we put a nice higher high there, but kind of a topping tail there at 2.529. Then we had 3 red days of sell. Now, what we also have here now is you had a pretty good rally up here, and it held this key 1.946. So today, it's basically inside day. You're just trying to do sideways action. So what we want to do is we want to watch all these key levels here, okay? So you want to watch this 21. This is sitting at 2.219. You want to watch this 8-day sitting at 2.22. So those are almost flat line. And then you want to watch this 50-day sitting at 2.321. And then obviously your retest sitting at 2.529. Now on the downside, you want to watch yesterday's low, okay? So what that is, that's sitting at 2.14. Then we want to go here to this low here. This is sitting at 2.081. And then we want to look at that 2.031. That was that would have been Friday's low, okay? And then you obviously your retest here at 1.946. Nothing here has changed. It's just basically sideways action, but this is a really, really nice basing pattern here. Now, if this could break to the upside here with a hot summer, some kind of a catalyst it needs, this could really, really rip. When you get long bases, dragged out bases like that, that could rip much, much higher. So we always want to keep that in mind when you build them bases. But right now, we just have to look at the channel, okay? So you just want to keep trading that channel. And the top there is sitting at 2.529, and the bottom is 1.945. Now, we'll have this more in detail here after the pick close here at 2:30. All right, thanks for watching.